Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting in Settings because that's where MIUI exposes lock screen elements. Once you've confirmed your MIUI version, open Lock Screen Settings and stay in the top-level page. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you've saved current wallpaper or theme in case you want to revert. You're doing this to change the clock widget, so don't go into unrelated panels. Head directly to Clock Style or Lock Screen Customization, which controls the visible time element. You now choose how the clock appears. Tap Clock Style or customize lock screen widgets and inspect available presets. Once done, pick a minimal or hidden clock layout to remove the large red time. MIUI often offers a blank or reduced option that clears the prominent display. If the setting isn't shown, make sure to open the Themes app and edit the lock screen template there. Themes can override settings, so edit lock screen elements inside that editor. Apply your new lock screen configuration and lock the phone to verify the red time is gone. If you still see the old clock, reboot the device to force UI refresh. That often resolves lingering overlays. Make sure to test with different wallpapers because some themes reintroduce a clock. Troubleshooting tip: if the option is missing, update MIUI or Clear Settings app cache, and if needed, edit the theme's lock screen directly. Those steps fix most cases where the setting is hidden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.